Online advertising costs are skyrocketing. Facebook rates have doubled every year since 2011. Are digital ads alone your best option? While it's true television and newspaper effectiveness is declining, out-of-home advertising in the real world is thriving. And now there's an easy way to browse, buy, and measure ROI across all out-of-home inventory. Welcome to AdQuick. Whether you're a local business or a national enterprise, AdQuick has the planning tools, insights, and data to make your out-of-home marketing thrive. Build your own campaign with just a few clicks, or have our team of expert strategists help you build a plan for free. Whether you prefer static boards or digital screens, specific locations, or programmatic bulk purchases, you can do it all with AdQuick. And once you've executed your campaign, you'll love our state-of-the-art measurement tools. With our advanced ROI suite, you can track store visits, connect outdoor placement results to web analytics, and even measure the halo effect on adjacent digital campaigns. It's all at your fingertips and free when you buy through AdQuick. There's a reason so many companies, big and small, have switched. AdQuick offers the most comprehensive inventory, the best pricing, and the latest campaign tools in one easy-to-use software platform. Get started at adquick.com.